Alrighty, so it's 9:31. Logging in very late. However, especially because they know my data takes time to load. But you know we don't take any trades for 9:33. Anyway, that's the best part about being. I try to do this every time, get on a little late like this, just because I know myself. I'll sometimes like that 9:27 day I wanted to get in early. We're not gonna do it though. Okay, live account, my Futures Express, Top Step. All right, we're all good. Obviously, everything is calculating per usual. As long as it starts to load, y'all know I need a new computer. All right, we do have a 1 hour fair value, 2 hour fair value gap here that we're kind of coming into. I added the 2 hour chart. Obviously, this one's always the one that's taking its sweet time because I added the 1 minute back as well. Hopefully we're bouncing out of this, coming lower. All right, now it's almost 9:32. There we go. I'm like, don't make me mad. It's still kind of stuck though. We did inverse. We're kind of up. We're going up on all time frames, it looks like. So my bars aren't really moving though, which is making me a little scared. Do I have to get rid of it? There we go. There we go. 9:30. Hopefully we bounce off these EMAs. If we inverse this gap, we can get in the short, but I think we should hopefully bounce out of this 3 minute gap, which lines up with this 5 minute gap. And 3 seconds left in that. And let's see what's gonna happen. I think we did sweep this though. Do we sweep it? I think we did sweep it. We swept that 1 hour, and then and we're in this 2 hour gap. So let's draw that. I think we might be going short today. But who knows? Yeah, that's the 2 hour gap right there. So, I like that. We can wait for the next, okay, we have inverse on the 2 minute. And on the 1 minute. We have a minute and 40 seconds in this 3 minute candle though. So let's wait with 3 minute and the 5 minute show us. What's the 15 minute showing us? It's kind of a hard one because it's like there's so many gaps to bounce off bullish wise, but I think there's a gap here, there's a gap, there's so many gaps that's like it's a little okay. There's a 15 minute gap we just bounced off of. 2. I'm a little scared. We have 30 seconds in this 3 minute candle. I think we could be going short, y'all, but I just don't know. Let's put the 3 minute over here. And then let's go on the 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Short. We're in short.
Order submitted.
We're pushing.
Order submitted.
Oh, it's a nice bracket on the 1 minute today. I wanted to get in the middle of that 3-minute candle for real, but we did finally IFEG on the 3. We should get a nice push to the downside. Some more. We did. We got a nice IFEG. We have so many gaps. We have the 3, 100, 200 EMA down there. This looks good though. Not as volatile as it has been. Looks like a normal trade today. All right, we hit 100. View and move stops to BE. Or trail. I'm not doing that. We got a fair value gap if we want to retrace and back into it. I think we're really good though. I think we're good. We have a bunch of fair value gaps down here. We have one here. All right, it's looking good. It's looking good in the hood. All right, we're in this gap. Hopefully we push right through it. Looking good, looking good, looking great. Push, come on, push.
Order filled.
Great trade. 3-minute IFEG. Great trade. A great fucking trade. 3-minute IFEG breaks on all the 1 minute. It wasn't as volatile. Bread and butter setup. Bread and butter setup. Didn't quite get the 200 and the 400, but hey, I'll take it.